but I am here to tell you some really cool science experiments that you can do at home with stuff you already have. Now you can do with your mom and dad or by yourself, or you can teach your younger brothers and sisters or cousins. And we're only using 3 ingredients today. What we're going to be using is water, some pepper, and dishwashing liquid, which I've already mixed up with water so that way it's nice and bubbly. So what we're learning about is surface tension, and what we're going to do is we're going to coat this with pepper. As you see, it's just kind of chilling there, like nothing's going on. However, when you you're going to dip your finger in the already made dishwashing liquid, and then booyah! Do you see how they're just running away? And what that is it's running away because like when they tell you to wash your hands because the germs flee, because when you wash your hands with the antibacterial, the bacteria runs away from it because it's called surface tension. And what that means is it just really literally just runs away from it. And that's a simple but fun video. Let me know which dishwashing liquids you use. Maybe yours is different and it does a different reaction. And it's a really fun thing that you can just show your parents, be like, this is what I learned. You just pour in some pepper and you have a surface tension experiment. Thanks and have a good day.